Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing dry fruits laddu. It looks so tempting. These are not only delicious, healthy and quick to make, but they are also packed with energy and nutrients. They are a favorite for the full family, especially the kids. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Method: lightly dry roast the poppy seeds, taking care not to burn. Then remove and set aside to cool. Again, dry roast the desiccated coconut, and again taking care not to burn. Then remove and set aside to cool. Add in a tablespoon of ghee. Then drop in the edible glue, also known as gond, and fry on medium heat until it puffs up. When it has puffed up, you remove and set aside to cool. Add in a teaspoon of ghee and lightly roast the chopped nuts, taking care not to burn them. The chopped nuts we've used here are almonds, pistachios, cashew nuts, sunflower seeds and walnuts, but you are free to use chopped nuts of your choice. Then remove and set aside to cool. Grind the roasted edible glue into a powder. And set aside. Similarly, coarsely grind the dates and the sultanas. The dates are soft and seedless. Then set aside. Now we come to the next stage where we're actually going to prepare the laddus. So add a teaspoon of ghee to a wok. Then drop in the coarsely ground dates and sultanas mixture and fry on medium heat until all the water evaporates. Drop in the roasted nuts, coconuts, poppy seeds and the powdered edible glue. That is all the ingredients. And give it a mix. Now add in the cardamom powder, nutmeg powder and the pinch of salt and mix well to combine. When the mixture is well combined, remove from the heat and while still warm, shape into balls. Then allow to cool, and you can store them in airtight containers for use later. So there you have it. Lovely, delicious, healthy, quick to make dry fruits laddu. Thank you for stopping by. Hope you will give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't yet to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.